Okay, open your book, page number 108. And everyone listen carefully. You have to give the answer or response, okay? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so there are options here. Options are given. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are options given here and these are the question. Okay, fill in the blanks. First one is file. Dash is a method of transferring files from one computer to another.
Transfer protocol.
Yes, file transfer protocol is a method of transferring files from one computer to another. Next one is the internet was originated in 1969.
1969.
Next one, internet is growing with dash speed, tremendous speed. The dash is a massive dash of network and networking information. The internet
This is a message.
Body.
The internet is a massive body of network and networking information. Our computers send dash data in binary code to modem which convert the binary coded data to an dash. Our computers send data in binary code to modem which convert the binary coded data to an analog, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
analog signal. Dash is another way to use internet.
Communication.
Communication is another way to internet. A dash is the type of internet address.
Website.
Website.
Sorry.
Or URL. A URL is type of internet address. Various dash offer online courses to learn various things like designing dash or subject. Various websites offer online courses to learn various things like designing, program or subject. Let's check if it is right or wrong, okay? I am also a little confused here. Okay, that means all are the correct answer. That's right, you selected the correct response. So these are the answer. Okay. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can we move on to the next question? Question number B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. B, right, true or false? People can make money online by using internet.
True.
Yes, true. Submit. Correct answer. Continue. Social networking is a very nice medium to communicate with friends and family members. True.
True.
Yes, true. Submit. Right answer. Okay. ARPA stands for Advanced Research Project Agreement.
False.
False.
And what is the full form of ARPA? Full form of ARPA.
Advanced Research Project Agency.
Yes. Advanced Research Project Agency.
Ma'am, here ma'am, it is written only that agreement.
Yes, yes. So false. Yes, correct. Continue. Internet is a very nice medium to connect with outer world. True.
True.
The World Wide Web is an information retrieval system based on hypermarket.
Yes, ma'am.
Hypermarket.
True, ma'am.
False. Hypermarket.
I think hypertext.
Yes, not hypermarket.
Yeah, that's all.
Let's see. Okay. False.
Okay.
True. Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, I know.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the fifth answer? Ma'am, fifth answer?
This is the fifth one. False. The World Wide Web is an information retrieval system based on hypermarket, not hypermarket, hypertext.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. What is the answer of fourth question? Fourth.
Fourth question, the internet is a very nice medium, right? True. You know the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The most up-to-date number is list 165 in number people who can access the web and dash people who surf the web every day. Is this the correct number? Check the book. You can check the book.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's false. Then what is the correct number?
Ma'am, that will be ma'am fast that 165, 745,
618.
618. Okay. So this is false.
89.
89. Okay. 689. This is false. The information remains static as all the documents that you view on the www are created using HTML. True or false?
True.
True. URL is type of internet address. True.
Yes, ma'am.
HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language.
True.
True, ma'am, true.
ISP is an organization that provides internet access to users. True. And what is the full form of ISP?
Ma'am, internet service provider.
Yes. Okay, very good. So we got all the right answer.
Ma'am, please do review quiz. Ma'am, I want to see. Okay. Ma'am, I will just revise. I have done already. True. True. Ma'am, after that? False. True. False. False. True. False. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all correct.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Take the correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, it will be VSNL.
Who runs the internet?
VSNL.
MBSL.
Not VSN. VSNL.
That's right, you select the correct response. So VSNL runs the internet. www
HTTP.
uses HTTP
HTTP.
protocol. Yes. Hypertext transfer protocol.
Yes, ma'am.
Internet
Ma'am,
started
15th August 1995.
Internet started in India on 15th August
August
1995.
1995. Yes.
Full name of
Modulator
modem
and
is
demodulator.
yes, modulator and
Modulator,
demodulator.
demodulator. Modulator, demodulator.
Did everyone completed? Who
Yes,
runs
ma'am.
the internet?
Yes, ma'am.
VSNL.
VSNL.
www uses HTTP protocol.
HTTP protocol.
Internet started in India on 15th August 1995. Full name of modem is modulator and demodulator.
Demodulator.
Yes. Close.
Ma'am, we have done all correct.
Yes. Now, question number D. Okay. What is internet? Can you tell me the page number?
Ma'am, 102.
Ma'am, 102.
Okay.
And exercise page number is 108.
Yes. What is
no.
internet?
Ma'am, it is a global system of interconnect computer networks connecting millions of computers through which exchange of information such as data is possible. It uses the TCP or IP protocol.
You can use many definitions for what is internet. You can also say internet is a web computer network and networking information. It connects millions of computers together globally. Or you can also say it is a global system of interconnected computer
Ma'am,
network.
we can write any.
Yes, you can write any introduction.
We can write that the internet is a web of computer networks and networking information.
Yes, you can also write. But not only that, you have to also write it connect millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are connected to the internet. This is the definition. And also in other word, it is a global system it uses TCP IP protocol. It is also another definition of what is internet.
Ma'am, please again tell that. That would tell now. Ma'am, please again tell.
In other from it is a global system of interconnected computer to serve billions of users worldwide. It uses TCP IP protocol. You can give any definition. of
Ma'am, all these
internet?
questions you will fill in study material.
No. Okay, so what is the next question?
Why do we use internet?
So can anyone tell me why do you use internet? আমরা ইন্টারনেট কেন ইউজ করি?
Ma'am, what?
Why do we use internet?
Ma'am, for make our work easy, we do online shopping and many ID cards and many.
Ma'am, we use internet for information. Ma'am, to
Internet has become our important part of our everyday life, right? We use
Yes,
internet in everywhere, in online shopping, in payments, in researching on any topic, everywhere. So আমি বলবো এগুলো হচ্ছে তুমি যদি বইয়ের ডেফিনেশন না লিখে মানে নিজের মতো করে তুমি যেটুকু বুঝছো যে যে কাজে তোমার লাগে, এখানে দেখো ইউজেস অফ ইন্টারনেটে তুমি সব অপশন গুলো পাবে।
ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, এখান থেকে ভালো করে লিখে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, ইউজেস অফ
Ma'am,
ইন্টারনেট
like
থেকে
this. Ma'am, should I tell?
ওয়েট ইউজেস অফ ইন্টারনেট থেকে যেমন থাকে ইন্টারনেটের সাহায্যে কি হয়, উই ক্যান কানেক্ট টু মেনি পিপল ফ্রম এনিওয়ার ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, রাইট? We can communicate with anyone from anywhere in the world. So this is also a use of internet. And information, we can get information on any topics. So these are the few points you can write for online education, for making money, for entertainment also, internet transaction, social networking. So these are the uses of internet. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
And what is the next question?
Where do people uses in the internet?
Where
Do people use the internet?
The internet.
where do people uses the internet?
The internet.
Yes.
Okay, so first question is why we use, and the next question is where. Why we use মানে আমরা ইন্টারনেট কেন ইউজ করি? আমরা ইন্টারনেট ইউজ করি কি কমিউনিকেশনের জন্য, অনলাইন ট্রানজাকশনের জন্য, এন্টারটেনমেন্টের জন্য, অনলাইন এডুকেশনের জন্য। সেম কোয়েশ্চেন একটু জাস্ট ঘুরিয়ে আনসার হবে কোথায় ইউজ করি। কোথায় ইউজ করি? ইন্টারনেট ট্রানজাকশনের ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ করি, এন্টারটেনমেন্টের ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ করি, ইনফরমেশনের জন্য ব্রাউজারে সার্চিং করতে আমরা ইন্টারনেট ইউজ করি, অনলাইন এডুকেশনের জন্য আমরা ইউজ করি, নেট সার্ফিং এর জন্য ইউজ করি। সেম আনসারের একই ধরন।
Ma'am, where we use internet, it can be internet is used at home, at school, at work, in libraries, at airport.
মানে প্লেস, you have to mention you are saying that you have to mention the place.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because where it is written.
Where it is used. Okay. Oh, these are the
Ma'am, what we will write?
okay, where you use the internet. Where we use the internet. Okay.
Ma'am, I am telling from page number 106.
106.
Ma'am, in the first section.
Okay, internet is used at home, at school, at work, in libraries. There are internet hotspot. Okay, the
Ma'am, this
answer.
will be the answer.
This is not a 1 number answer. That means 1 mark question answer. This is not a 1 mark question answer. So if you want to mention the place, you also need to mention in which section. That means for which you are using the internet. Where
Okay.
use, that means where. For entertainment also, for browsing, for internet transaction.
Social networking.
Yes,
Like
yes.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
The answer of these two questions are quite similar. Even if you want to answer why you use internet, সেখানে তোমাকে মেনশন একটু করতেই হবে যদি লং আনসার থাকে, যদি 5 মার্কস থাকে যে why do you use internet, হয়তো এটা 2 মার্কসের যদি থাকে আমরা কেন ইউজ করি, তখন তুমি দিতে পারবে যে আমরা ইন্টারনেট, why do you use internet? Internet is a very nice medium to connect with our outer world. People use it, or we use it as a medium to connect with other people, sharing files, entertainments, and lot of other activities that are useful and beneficial in many times. Okay. For example, diye, we used social networking to connect with people. Okay. This is an example.
একই রকম হবে।
Yes, yes, this is an example. And where do you use internet? Internet is used at home, at school, at work, in libraries, airport, or wherever there are internet hotspot. For example, we also use internet for internet transaction, for making money online, for online education. Okay. ডেফিনেশন দিয়ে একটা এক্সাম্পল দেবে, একটা দুটো এক্সাম্পল দেবে, তাহলেই হবে। Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is, what is a modem?
Modem.
Answer দেওয়া আছে already. Modem.
Ma'am, আমি বলবো অ্যানসারটা?
Yes, yes.
Modem is the short form of modulator and demodulator. It is connected to the internet through telephone or telecommunication line.
Yes.
It is a link between ISP and web browser.
Okay, no need to write more than that. This is a small definition of 2 marks question, so you don't need to write the whole thing.
Ma'am, if we can give 2 marks, ma'am, then what we will write?
Modem is the short form of modulator and demodulator. It is connected to the internet through telephone or telecommunication line. It is a link between internet service provider and web browser.
Ma'am, if 2 marks, then we will do.
Yes, this is enough.
Okay.
This is enough.
Ma'am, otherwise more than 2, then we have to write all.
Yes, you have to little describe the function of modem.
That ours.
Yes, function of modem. What modem does? Modem send data in binary code to modem, and then it again convert the data into analog signal, then digital signal. If only the definition, then no need to write the function of the whole thing. Okay. If 2 marks question, then you can just write 2 to 3 lines. Okay. 3-4 lines, it is enough for 2 marks question. Okay, now